Little progress was made on Russia-Ukraine negotiation on Monday, but it will continue on Tuesday. Ahead of the FOMC meeting in the mid of this week, U.S. Treasury yield rose sharply. Financial sector performed well, while selling pressure will see on technology and energy sector. U.S. stock market remained volatile yesterday. The three major U.S. stock index closed mixed, and the Dow Jones stayed flat, while the Nasdaq index fell 2%. U.S. Treasury yield rose sharply. 10-year U.S. Treasury yield rose 14 basis points to 2.14%. Besides, Russia-Ukraine tensions talk driven crude price down to 5.8% to $103 per barrel. Owing to a series of negative factors, including the pandemic in Hong Kong and China, and also the delisting of Chinese stock in the US ADR market, Hong Kong stock market fell sharply in the past few trading days. However, Hong Kong stock market valuation is at a very low level, while Hang Seng Index is also technically oversold. Hong Kong stock is expected to remain volatile today. Hang Seng Index support is estimated at 19,000 level. Hong Kong stock led inflow rose to 6.4 billion yesterday, of which Tencent and Meituan received the most led purchase. There are a lot of market rumors which are negative to Tencent recently. Together with overall weakness of China tech stock, Tencent share price fell sharply in the past few days and dropped further in the US ADR market last night. His share price has been moved further far away from a major resistance at $400. Short-term focus will be his annual results to be released on the 23rd March. On the other hand, China property stock, including the major state-owned developer, turned weak recently. Since China government policy has loosened on the property sector to stabilize economic growth, we suggest investors to accumulate major state-owned developers, China Overseas, and China Resources Land. For the stock pick today, we will recommend China Mobile Life for one. NDRC has issued the Eastern Data Western Calculation Project in February, planning to build 8 national computing groups in Xinjiang Delta and Inner Mongolia, and also 8 small data center groups. We see telecom operators as the major data center operators to benefit from growing investment in infrastructure and proliferation of industry digitalization. We expect China Mobile to increase its share buyback and dividend payout going forward. Offering nearly 7% dividend yield, China Mobile is a solid defensive play, and hence we suggest to buy with a target price at $57 and a stop loss price at